Welcome to this sixth video on tips, tricks, Microsoft Excel. In this video, we are going to see how to convert a table into a picture with the link. That's very vital here. We can convert the data into picture, but how to make a link and how to make it in the easiest and simplest way. In Excel, let us take this table where we have name, employee, number, salary. This is a small table. This table, I want to convert this table as a picture with the link. So to have a picture with the link in Excel, there is a feature called as camera. There is a feature available called as camera, which is available in all the version. Even in the older version also you can find this camera. But unfortunately, this camera option is hidden in this ribbon. When you go to ribbon, unfortunately, you are not able to see this camera option. How to activate it? In earlier tips and tricks also we have seen how to activate some new feature. Same like now we are going to activate a new feature, that is camera. How can I do this? There are 2 or 3 methods. One is you can go to the top here on the quad. You can go to the quad here. On the quad, right click on the quad. When you go to this quad, you can make a right click here on the quad. After making a right click, a menu is appearing. You can go to Customize Quick Access Toolbar, method 1. Okay, so go to right click and you can click on this Customize Quick Access Toolbar, method 1, or else method number 2. You can go to that same quad. There is an arrow mark available. Click on the arrow mark and you can move further and you can see there is an option called as More Commands. So you can click on this More Commands. Second method. Third one, you can go to File. Under File, click on Options. On the Options, you can see here Quick Access Toolbar. 3 methods. All the 3 will route into the same screen. So you can use any one of these 3 options. So after using any one of these 3 options, it comes to the screen. In the screen, it says Popular Commands. Popular means the most frequently used commands. Instead of this popular, let us click on this arrow mark and you can find out there is an option called as Commands Not in the Ribbon. Commands Not in the Ribbon. Correct? So click on the Commands Not in the Ribbon and it expands and it shows what are all the commands not available in this ribbon. Now click somewhere else here. After selecting Commands Not in the Ribbon, click somewhere else on the box. On the bottom there is a box available. Click somewhere else here. You can manually scroll down and find it because camera is alphabetically ordered, so it will be on the top. If you are not able to manually scroll and find it out, just click and press the first letter for camera, C, and scroll down. You can find out this option called as camera. Correct? There is an option available called as camera. So click this camera and click on this add. Either click on this add button or double click on the camera also, whichever is easier. So I make a double click. You can see it's automatically added. The camera is automatically added to your quad. Now click on OK here. Right? So let me click on OK. After adding it, I am clicking on OK. That's it. On the top, you can see this camera icon is available. It will be added at the last. Suppose on the quad, if you have 4 items, this will be added at the 5th. If it is the 5th item, it will be added at the 6th. Okay, now it's very simple. Select the data which you want to convert it as a picture and click on the camera. Just click on this camera. That's it. You can see surrounding the table, a marching ants are appearing. If you are getting the marching ant, then it means it's copied. And go to somewhere else here, else somewhere else, any other location here, and just make a click. That's it. Now you can see that table has converted into a picture. So you can drag and you can move. It's a picture here. Even you can see on the top, it shows picture format. Older version, the picture and format, the picture tools format. Latest version, it says picture format here. So you can format the pictures. So if the format picture is appearing, then it means it's converted as a picture. But I told you it's with the link. It's with the link. How can I say it's with the link? It's very simple. Go to somewhere else here on the source data. For example, for one person, I am going to change the salary value here into 30,000 and I say enter. It's perfect. You can see it has changed into 30,000 on your picture also, right? Great, right? Picture also it's linked. The picture is linked here. So that's why we use this camera. The camera is available in all the versions, so you can use this camera. But if you are using the latest version, that is 16, if you are using 2016 of Excel, 19, Office 365, Office 2021, there is one more option to do it except the camera. No need for getting the camera here. Camera can be used in all the version. Latest version, what you do is, as usual, select the table, copy the table, and go to elsewhere and make a right click on the table. When you make a right click, you can see you can go to the paste special. On the paste special at the last, on the other paste option, you can see the last option available called as linked picture. So this is the option which is a new feature available in the latest version. Right click and go to the paste special. Under the paste special, you can see the linked picture is available. This is another method. So which method is convenient, you can use the method. But as I told, that option will work on all the version of Excel. This will work only in the latest version of Excel. So linked picture. Yes, this is also linked. When I change my data in the source, so it is changing in both the picture, right? One is using the camera, another one is normal copy, paste special, linked picture. Thanks for watching the video. We will see in the next video.